Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Miss Chelsea, and today we are going to study subject Mathematics 4th Standard first. So let us write subject on the blackboard, students. Okay? And standard first. So students, can you tell me in our last lecture which lesson we studied? बच्चों, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो लास्ट लेक्चर में, मतलब लास्ट वीडियो में हमने कौन सा लेसन पढ़ा? कौन सा पढ़ा? यस, हमने पढ़ा सब्ट्रैक्शन किसे कहते हैं. बराबर, हमने सब्ट्रैक्शन के ऊपर वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स भी सॉल्व किए. बराबर, यस. सो इन टुडेस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज इंट्रोडक्शन एंड राइटिंग ऑफ 10. ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन एंड राइटिंग ऑफ 10. But before starting with our lesson, I am going to teach you introduction and writing of 0. Okay? And before starting with that lesson also, now we are going to do a short revision of the lesson that I have taught you in the last lecture. So let us start with some revision of our last lecture. Okay, students? So now we will solve one example based on subtraction. Okay? So before starting with our short revision, can you tell me what do we mean by subtraction? Subtraction किसे कहते हैं? Yes, subtraction means to remove out. Okay? मतलब मेरे पास 5 बॉल्स है. Okay? और उन 5 बॉल्स में से मैंने 2 बॉल्स अपने बड़े भाई को दे दिए. तो अब मेरे पास कितने बॉल्स बच गई? यस, सो ओनली 2 बॉल्स आर लेफ्ट विथ मी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नॉट 2, 3 बॉल्स. ओके, एंड दिस कंसेप्ट इज नोन एज सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो लेट अस सॉल्व one example on subtraction. Okay, students? तो बच्चों, अब मुझे इस पहले वाले क्वेश्चन का आंसर कौन बताएगा? 5 - 7, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Not 5 - 7, students. 5 - 3. Okay? By mistakenly, I wrote number 7. So, students, now what is 5 - 3? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Yes, I have 5 fingers. Out of these 5 fingers, cut 3 fingers. How many fingers can you see? Only 2, right? So 5 - 3, इसका आंसर होगा 2, right? So students, our final answer is 5 - 3 is equal to 2. Okay, students? Yes. So now let us solve the second question. So now who will tell me what is 3 - 2? 3 - 2 is 1. Right, students? So we will write here 1. Students, I hope you must have understood what do we mean by subtraction in the last video. Okay? Yes. And now let us start with our actual lesson, that is introduction and writing of 0 and 10. Okay, students? So students, from combined book number 1, we have studied numbers from 1 to 7, right? And from combined book number 2 means from this book we have studied numbers from 8 to 9, right? So now we are going to study the number 10, okay? We are going to study the last number, that is number 10. So before starting with the lesson, मतलब 10 यह नंबर आपको सिखाने से पहले let us see what do we mean by 0, okay? Let us see मतलब हम देखेंगे अभी 0 किसे कहते हैं और 0 क्या होता है, okay? So let us start with introduction and writing of 0, okay? So before that, let me write the question on the blackboard. That is introduction and writing of 0 and 10. Okay? So first we will see 0 कैसे कहते हैं और 10 क्या होता है. Okay? Let us see the first number, that is 0. Okay? Yes. Student, now let us see what do we mean by 0. Okay? So please pay attention on the blackboard. So I hope you must have remembered the numbers from 1 to 9 that we have studied from the book. Okay? Yes. So students, as you can see, I am drawing 0 on the blackboard. Student, this is known as 0. Okay? This 0 has no value. Okay? 0 कोई value नहीं होती. For example, if there are two baskets I mean, and in the first basket I told you to draw 5 balls. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, I have drawn 5 balls in the first basket, right? And if I told to draw 0 balls in the second basket, what will you draw? Yes, you will draw nothing because 0 has no value. Okay? 0 means nothing. Okay, students? And 0 is written as 0. Okay? This is 0. Okay, students? And the spelling of 0 is Z-E-R-O. The 0 spelling is written as this. Repeat behind me. Z-E-R-O. Okay, students? Yes. Now, if I told you to draw 3 balloons on the blackboard, can you draw it? Yes. Let's draw 1 balloon, 2 balloon and 3rd balloon. Right? Now, if I told you to draw 0 balloon on the blackboard, will you draw? Yes, you will draw nothing on the blackboard because 0 has no value. Okay, students? Understood, students? What do you mean by 0? Yes. So, students, for this, you will complete page number 59. Okay? You just have to trace and write the classwork. Okay? Yes. And now we are going to start with our next chapter, that is chapter number 22, and that is introduction and writing of 10. Okay, let us start. So students, till now we have studied numbers from 1 to 9, right? And now we are going to study the last number from 1 to 10 series, and the last number is 10. Okay? So student, 10 number is written as like this: slanting line, standing line, sleeping line. This is number 1. And besides it, 0 will come. Okay? 0. So student, this number is known as 10. T-E-N. 10. Okay? T-E-N. 10. So students, repeat behind me. T-E-N. 10. Okay students? Yes. So now we are going to see some more examples of number 10 with the help of real objects. Okay? Let us see it. So students, as you can see in my hand, I have some straws, right? I have some straws. So can you tell me how many straws I am holding in my left hand? Yes, for this we need to count the straws, right? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Students, that means I am holding 10 straws in my hand. Understood? I am holding 10 straws. Okay students? Yes. So now we are going to see some more examples of 10. Okay? I hope by now you must have understood what do we mean by 10. Okay? Yes. Student, as you can see in my hand, how I am holding a spoons, right? So can you tell me how many spoons I am holding in my hand? Yes. For this we need to count, right? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10, right? That means I am holding 9 spoons, 10 spoons in my hand. Okay? These are 10 spoons. So now let us see some more examples of number 10. Okay? Yes. Student, now let us see how to trace and write number 10. Okay? Let's trace and write. Trace and write. blackboard, I have drawn some dots, right? So now we have to trace these dots, and after tracing these dots, a number will be formed, right? And that number will be known as number 10. Okay? So let us trace the number. Trace it. Trace. Trace. Okay? Trace it and trace it. So student, a number is found and this number is known as number 10. Okay? Number TEN. And this number is known as number 10. Right, students? Yes. So now, if I told you to draw 8 chocolates, so can you draw? Yes. Let's draw on the blackboard. 1 chocolate, 2 chocolate, 3rd chocolate, 4th chocolate, 5th chocolate, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So students, all together I have drawn 10 toffees on the blackboard. Okay? Let us count it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So all together we have 10 chocolates. Right, students? Yes. So now if I told you to draw 10 flowers, will you able to draw 10 flowers? Yes. Let us draw over here on this side. One flower. This is second flower. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seven. 8, 9 and 10. So students, all together we are having 10 flowers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay students? Yes. So students, I hope you must have understood what do you mean by number 10. मतलब 10 नंबर कैसे लिख सकते हैं. Okay? So now repeat it spelling behind me. T E N is number 10. T E N is number 10. Okay students? Yes. So finally, now we're going to practice number from 1 to 10. Okay? So students, now we will practice numbers from 1 to 10. Let us practice. So can you tell me from combined book number 1, which is the first number that we studied? Number 1. So how we will write number 1? And its spelling is O-N-E. Which is the second number? 2. T-W-O. Which is the third? 3, right? T H R E E. After that comes number 4. F O U R. And after that comes number 5. FIVE. And after that come number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8 and INE 9 and TE 10. Okay students? Yes. So students, for homework you have to write numbers from 1 to 10 5 times in your maths notebook. Okay? And also complete page number 72 and page number 59. Okay? Yes. So we will meet in the next lecture with our new lesson. Thank you.